Hey everyone, Chris with Coalition Gaming here, and as you can see I have a new microphone right here, and well, it's only cost $4. We'll get into that right now. So a few days ago, friend of the channel, Kryptonic, or I guess more Kryptonic HD is his tech channel. I'll go ahead and link his channel down below. Tagged me in a tweet, and it was to a Twitter account called Fat Kid Deals, and that Fat Kid Deals account had posted a condenser microphone model BM-800 for $4 with the promo code. That $4 microphone normally goes for around $22. It's a common microphone that you see rebranded all over the place. It's a condenser microphone, pretty much needs 48 volt phantom power to work properly, so it needs an interface. It's going through XLR, but pretty standard cheap mic all over Amazon, and you see tons of people searching for it, reviewing it, all the ones from like Newer and let's see, Toner, and I guess this one being like Exclavan or something. I'll put a product link in the description below. I don't know if the deal for $4 is active anymore, but I'll link the tweet as well. Maybe that promo code will work for you guys. But even at $20, if you got the money to spare, honestly, it's not that bad of a microphone. Now, everything that you're hearing in this recording is happening through this microphone. I'm also recording through the on-camera shotgun, which is the $25 Takstar SGC 598. And, well, I'll switch back and forth, and you'll see a little marker on the bottom of the screen when you can hear one versus the other. So you can see decent quality, like okayish quality on-camera shotgun versus condenser microphone, basic, I guess, quality condenser microphone. So the cool thing though, it did come with a shock mount, and so I'm really happy that it came with the shock mount, because it's one less thing you got to buy. You do have to buy the arm. I mean, I guess you can get a stand or something like that, but you know, it's cool to have it on an arm, because then you can just sort of get it out of the way when you don't need it. Get out of here, arm. Bye-bye. So honestly, I really do like the microphone, the quality. I have it running through my Creative Sound Blaster K3 Plus audio interface. It has the phantom power routed right to it, and overall I think it sounds pretty good. Now, I think it's picking up some background noise. I'm not sure what that is, but I got to experiment with the grounding feature of the interface to see if maybe that can help with any like noise, any of that background stuff that it's picking up. But as far as my voice goes, my friends on Discord but as far as everyone goes, they all seem to like the sound quality of it, but as a sustained audio stream that you guys are hearing right now, maybe it sounds a bit different. Now, like I mentioned, it is recording through the microphone here, through Windows Voice Recorder, so direct feed, no processing other than what's in the interface, but also the on-camera shotgun microphone. But I also have my OBS running, and I'm going to pull the audio file out of that because I have noise suppression turned on there, so that changes the characteristics of the microphone just a little bit if you're to want to use it for streaming or recordings via OBS, because you are allowed a few more settings changes, a bit more control outside of what's offered on the interface as well. So you know, flexibility with the stuff that you're running it through is really nice and really good feature of PC streaming, I suppose. So the whole setup, let's say you didn't have an interface already like I did. Well, you would want to go with like a Behringer Euphoria UM2. I think it's a one channel, technically two. I think it has another input on it, just not an XLR. But it's a one channel mixer, has the phantom power. It can take this microphone, power it just fine, and just as good as anything else. That's a $30 interface. You got a $10 mic arm and a, well, cost me $4, but a $20-ish microphone. So that entire setup is let's see, $30 interface, $20 microphone. Let's just round it a little bit, even it out. So that's $50, and a $10 arm. That's a $60 microphone setup. I'm pretty sure you can find this mic a bit cheaper. If you look around, you're pretty sure you can find a slightly cheaper mic arm. And as far as interfaces go, you can't really find decent ones much cheaper than $30. But honestly, this is great, I think. So as far as the budget streamer, the budget content creator, if you're cost conscious when it comes to this, you can't really go wrong with this, especially if you can get the discount on it, get it for $4. I mean, seriously, I bought two. One's gonna go to me. I bought another one for Weezinator. And Wayne, that's the co-founder of the channel, by the way. You may see him pop in here and there. He has an old school Logitech, like 10-year-old USB desktop mic. So this is going to be a pretty big upgrade for him. But in my opinion, microphone technology has moved somewhat slowly. So the longer that's gone on, the more that I guess decent quality mics have filtered down into the OEM China sector. So you get tons of budget rebrands like this guy right here. So I guess all that's missing really is a pop filter. But if you're not talking directly at it, you don't really need a pop filter, because plosives are really just more if you're facing the microphone like this. As you can see, the tone of the audio might change when I'm actually facing directly at it, because it is a directional microphone, side dressing I think is what it's called. And this works better than this, but it still works pretty it still works pretty good, even if you're not right into it, right? Just talking right at it. So talking near it is good enough, man. And overall, yeah, again, really do like the microphone. So quick one for you guys: if you guys like this video, make sure you like that, click that like button, subscribe. We always got more coming, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, also make sure you tune in Wednesdays about 8 p.m. for our weekly streams, and we also got a merch store, so any help there helps us out. Any purchases there, and you guys get some cool swag out of it. So anyways, again, bye.